بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ ڈیئر اسٹوڈینٹس، السلام علیکم۔ امید کرتا ہوں کہ آپ لوگ سارے خیریت سے ہوں گے۔ ڈیئر اسٹوڈینٹس، ہسٹری کلاس 6 جو کہ پنجاب ٹیکسٹ بک کا نیا کورس ہے، اس کے چیپٹر نمبر 3 کی آج کویسچن آنسرس کریں گے۔ اس یونٹ چیپٹر نمبر 3 کا نام ہے آرینس، کوشنز اینڈ گپتاز۔ اچھا، تو پہلے وہ والے شارٹ کویسچن اور لانگ کویسچن کریں گے جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں، پھر اس کے بعد ایکسٹرا یا ایڈیشنل یعنی اضافی شارٹ کویسچن اور لانگ کویسچن بھی کریں گے تاکہ سارا پورا یونٹ کور ہو جائے۔ تو پہلے وہ والے شارٹ کویسچن کرتے ہیں جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں، ان کے آنسرس۔ کویسچن نمبر 1، رائٹ 3 لائنز آن سوشیو اکنامک کنڈیشنز آف گپتا امپائر۔ آنسر: The Gupta Empire had great prosperity and growth in trade and agriculture. People enjoyed a high standard of living with affordable commodities. There was development in arts, architecture, sciences, religion, and philosophy. Question 2. Why King Ashoka's period was a golden era of India? Answer: King Ashoka's period was a golden era of India because he expanded the empire to Iran, Persia, and Afghanistan. After the Kalinga War, he promoted peace, non-violence, and public welfare. He built roads, hospitals, stupas, and promoted Buddhism, bringing prosperity. Question 3. Who was the first ruler of the Gupta Empire? Answer: The first ruler of the Gupta Empire was Chandragupta the first. Question 4. What was the main source of Aryan's wealth? Answer: The main source of wealth was cattle rearing, and wealth was measured in the number of cattle. اچھا، نیکسٹ ہے کویسچن نمبر 5۔ Which war changed the mind of Ashoka the Great? Answer: The Kalinga War changed the mind of Ashoka the Great. اب ہے لانگ کویسچن جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں، ان کے آنسرس۔ کویسچن نمبر 1، Analyze the structure of the Aryan society. Answer: Aryan society was first based on families and tribes. The eldest male was the head of the family and tribes were led by a Raja. Later society was divided into 4 classes: the Varna system, Brahmans, priests, Kshatriyas یعنی وارئرس تھے، یہ ویشیاز یہ فارمرز اور ٹریڈرز تھے، اینڈ شودراز یہ ورکرز تھے۔ This system was based on work but gradually became hereditary. Women had a respectable position in early Aryan society. Thus, Aryan society developed from a simple tribal system into an organized social structure. اچھا، نیکسٹ ہے کویسچن نمبر 2۔ Describe the origin of the Aryans. Answer: The word Arya means noble or lord. Aryans were migratory people from Central Asia. They entered India through the Hindu Kush mountains. They conquered lands and spread their culture. They considered themselves a superior race. They spoke Indo-Aryan language, yani Sanskrit. Many modern languages developed from it. They settled near the Indus River due to fertile land. Question 3. Discuss on the rise and contribution of the Mauryan dynasty. The Mauryan dynasty was one of the most powerful dynasties in ancient India. It rose to power after the decline of the Nanda Empire. Chandragupta Maurya founded this dynasty in 322 BCE with the help and guidance of his teacher Chankya yani Kautilya. He united many small states and established a strong empire. Later, his son Bindusara expanded the empire and Ashoka became its most famous ruler. The Mauryan rulers made many important contributions. They set up a strong and well-organized government system. Ashoka worked for the welfare of his people and followed the policy of peace and non-violence after the Battle of Kalinga. He spread the message of Buddhism in many parts of Asia. The Mauryan rulers also built roads, hospitals, and rest houses to help the people. Trade and communication were improved during their rule. In this way, the Mauryan dynasty played an important role in building a strong empire and improving the life of the people. Next है question number 4. अच्छा, describe King Ashoka's life and achievements. Answer: Ashoka was the son of Bindusara. He became emperor in 268 BC. He expanded empire across many regions. He fought the Kalinga War. After the Kalinga War, he saw destruction and suffering. This changed his mindset. He adopted Buddhism and promoted peace, kindness, and non-violence. He built stupas and viharas and constructed roads and hospitals. He treated people equally. Question 5. Write a note on religious belief system of the Aryans. Answer. Aryans worshipped natural forces like sun, fire, and earth. Their holy books were the Vedas in the Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajur Veda, and Atharva Veda. Their important gods were Indra, god of thunder, Agni, god of fire, Varuna, god of natural order, and Surya, sun god. They performed sacrifices, yani yajnas, and prayed in open spaces. अच्छा, next है question number 6. Compare the social structure of Guptas and Kushan dynasties. Answer. The social structure of the Gupta dynasty and the Kushan dynasty shows some similarities and differences. In the Gupta Empire, society was strictly based on the Varna system. People were divided into Brahmans, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras, and their role were mostly hereditary. Social roles were rigid, and Brahmans enjoyed the highest status. In contrast, the Kushan society was more flexible. It had a mix of different cultures due to foreign influence, and social divisions were less strict compared to the Guptas. People from different backgrounds lived together more freely. Thus, Gupta society was more organized but rigid, while Kushan society was more open and diverse. Question 7. Analyze the Kushan's era. The Kushan era began in the 1st century CE and was an important period of growth and development. The Kushans established a large and powerful empire in Central Asia and northwestern India, which became strong under rulers like Kanishka. During this time, trade increased greatly because the Kushans controlled the Silk Road connecting China, India, and the Roman Empire, which brought wealth and prosperity. The period also saw the development of Gandhara art, which combined Greek and Indian styles. The Kushans supported Buddhism and it spread to Central Asia and China. Education also progressed uh, and centers like Texla became important. Overall, the Kushan's era was a time of trade, cultural exchange, and the spread of religion, which made it a significant period in history. अच्छा, अब है क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग क्वेश्चन जो किताब में दिए गए हैं उनके आंसर्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. वाई अशोका वाज नॉट नोन एज द रूलर ऑफ एंशियंट इंडिया फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम. आंसर. His achievements were written on rocks and pillars which were not understood for a long time. Historical records were not widely preserved or known. Later discoveries revealed his importance. Therefore, he was not known as the ruler of ancient India for a long time. Question number 2. What are the links between Gandhara art and the Kushans? Answer. Gandhara art developed during the Kushan period. It combined Greek and Indian artistic styles. Kushans supported and promoted this art. Question 3. What are the problems of a barter system? Answer. There is difficulty in finding double coincidence of wants in a barter system. There is no standard measure of value either. There is a hardness in barter system. This system is also inconvenient for large or distant trade. यहाँ पे इसमें इनकन्वीनियंट में आई छूटा है, यानी स्मॉल लेटर से लिखा जाएगा। मैंने गलती से कैपिटल लेटर में लिखा है, आई को स्मॉल लेटर में आप लोगों ने लिखना है। अच्छा, नेक्स्ट अब है एडिशनल यानी इजाफी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन विद आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन 1, what does the word Aryan means? Answer. The word Aryan means noble or lord. Question 2, from where did the Aryans migrate into India? Answer. The Aryans migrated from Central Asia into India. Question 3, through which pass did the Aryans enter India? Answer. The Aryans entered India through the Khyber Pass. Question 4, what language did the Aryans speak? Answer. The Aryans spoke Sanskrit, yani that is Indo-Aryan language. Question 5, name any two Vedas of the Aryans. Answer. Rig Veda and Samaveda are the name of two Vedas of the Aryans. Question 6, what was the role of women in Aryan society? Answer. Women were housewives and skilled in weaving. Question 7, what weapons did the Aryans use in war? Answer. They used bows and arrows and bronze axes. Question 8, what was the importance of the Indus River for Aryans? Answer. The land near the Indus River was fertile, so it was suitable for a settlement. Question 9, what was the main occupation of the Aryans? Answer. Their main occupations were agriculture and cattle rearing. Question 10, what metals were used by the Aryans? Answer. Aryans used copper, iron, and bronze. Question 11, who founded the Mauryan Empire? Answer. Chandragupta Maurya founded the Mauryan Empire. Question 12, who was the teacher of Chandragupta Maurya? Answer. Chanakya was the teacher of Chandragupta Maurya. Question 13, who succeeded Chandragupta Maurya? Answer. Bindusara succeeded Chandragupta. Question 14, what did Ashoka see after the Kalinga war? Answer. He saw barren houses, dead bodies, and suffering people. Question number 15, what did Ashoka do after adopting Buddhism? Answer. He promoted peace, non-violence, and public welfare. Question 16, what are stupas and viharas? Answer. They are Buddhist religious structures built by Ashoka. Question 17, what was the duration of the Mauryan Empire? Answer. The duration of the Mauryan Empire was from 3 to 21st BCE to 185 BCE. Question 18, who was the greatest ruler of the Kushan Empire? Answer. Kanishka was the greatest ruler of the Kushan Empire. Question 19, what was Gandhara art? Answer. It was an art style combining Greek and Indian elements. Question 20, what was the main trade route of the Kushans? Answer. The Silk Road was the main trade route of the Kushans. Question 21, who founded the Gupta Empire? Answer. Chandragupta the first founded the Gupta Empire. Question 22, why is the Gupta period called the Golden Age? Answer. The Gupta period is called the Golden Age due to progress in science, art, literature and prosperity. अब है इजाफी यानी एक्स्ट्रा लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन विद आंसर्स. Question number 1, describe the economic system of the Aryans. Answer. The economic system of the Aryan society was mainly based on agriculture and livestock. The Aryans were farmers who grew crops such as wheat and barley. They also kept animals like cows, horses, and sheep, which were an important source of wealth. Cattle were especially valued and often used as a measure of prosperity. Besides farming, the Aryans were involved in simple trade and crafts. People exchanged goods through barter, as money was not commonly used in the early period. They made basic tools, weapons, and household items. Thus, the Aryan economy was simple and mainly depended on agriculture, cattle rearing, and small-scale trade. Question 2, describe causes of Aryan migration to India. Answer. The migration of the Aryans to India took place due to several reasons. One major cause was the search for better land for grazing and farming. The Aryans were pastoral people, so they moved in search of fertile land and water for their animals. Another reason was climatic changes in their original homeland, which made living conditions difficult. Shortage of food and resources also forced them to migrate. In addition, conflicts and pressure from other tribes may have pushed them to leave their original areas. As a result, they moved towards the Indian subcontinent where they found suitable land and settled there. Question number 3. Describe the achievements of the Kushan Empire. Answer. The Kushan Empire made important achievements in trade, art, and religion. They promoted trade through the Silk Route connecting India with the other regions. They developed Gandhara art and built stupas and monasteries. Under Kanishka, Buddhism was spread to Central Asia and China. They also introduced gold coins, which improved trade and the economy. Question 4. Describe the administration and society of the Gupta Empire. Answer. The Gupta dynasty had a well organized administration and a structured society. The king was the head of the state and held supreme power. The empire was divided into provinces which were governed by officials. Local administration was also important and village councils helped in managing daily affairs. In society, the Varna system became more strict and well defined. People were divided into Brahmans, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras, and their roles became hereditary. Brahmans were given high respect. Women had a respectable position in society, but their status gradually declined over time. Education, art, and culture also developed during this period. Thus, the Gupta Empire had an efficient administrative system and a well organized but rigid social structure. अच्छा नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Describe the decline of the Mauryan Empire. Answer. The Mauryan Empire declined due to several reasons. After the death of Ashoka, weak rulers came to power who could not maintain control over the vast empire. The empire became too large to manage effectively, and distant provinces started becoming independent. There were also internal conflicts and lack of strong leadership. In addition, foreign invasions from the northwest weakened the empire further. Economic problems and heavy expenses also contributed to its decline. Thus, weak rulers, administrative difficulties, and external invasions led to the fall of the Mauryan Empire. Question 6. Describe the decline of the Kushan Empire. Answer. The Kushan Empire declined due to several reasons. After the powerful rulers like Kanishka, the empire began to weaken because of weaker successors who could not control the vast territory. Internal conflicts and division within the empire also made it unstable. At the same time, regional rulers started becoming independent. In addition, foreign invasions and pressure from the rising Sasanian Empire further weakened Kushan control. Trade routes also became less secure, affecting the economy. Thus, weak rulers, internal problems, and external invasions led to the decline of the Kushan Empire. Question 7. Describe the contributions of the Gupta Empire. Answer. The Gupta dynasty made great contributions in different fields. It is known as a golden age of ancient India because of its progress in art, literature, science, and education. In art and architecture, beautiful temples and sculptures were built. In literature, famous scholars like Kalidasa produced great works in Sanskrit. In science and mathematics, scholars made important discoveries, especially in astronomy and arithmetic. Education also developed through famous learning centers. Thus, the Gupta Empire contributed greatly to cultural knowledge and scientific progress. अब है क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Describe the life of Kanishka and his achievements. इसका आंसर Kanishka was the most famous ruler of the Kushan Empire. He was a powerful and brave king who expanded his empire greatly and ruled over a large area of India, Central Asia, and parts of Asia. He is best known for supporting Buddhism and holding the Fourth Buddhist Council, which helped in spreading Buddhism to other regions. He also promoted art and culture, especially the Gandhara art style. Kanishka improved trade by strengthening connections through the Silk Road and issued gold coins that helped the economy. Thus, Kanishka was a great ruler known for his military power, religious support, and contributions to trade and culture. तो ये थे डियर स्टूडेंट्स चैप्टर नंबर 3 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स जो कि आप लोगों को पसंद आए होंगे। अच्छा, यहाँ पे मैं अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर दे रहा हूँ, तो ये जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है ये अगर आप लोगों को पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में चाहिए तो इस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे आप लोग मुझे वॉइस मैसेज या टेक्स्ट मैसेज कर सकते हैं। फिर मैं आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में भेज दूँगा। लेकिन आप लोगों ने मेरा एक छोटा सा काम करना होगा और वो काम होगा इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। तो जाते जाते आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि इस चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करना है। ये लेक्चर या वीडियो अगर आप लोगों को पसंद आया हो तो इसको लाइक करना है और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना है। इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट किसी लेसन या क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के साथ। उस वक्त तक इजाज़त चाहता हो। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।